Alright guys, we're here today at the auction. DG auctions here at Restaurants. I already lost Michael and Blair.
Mike's there.
Oh, yeah.
Also as our features. Celebrity or featured
Packed here today. Good, how are you?
We just signed a big sponsor on that one also, so that's Saskatoon's heading to quite the deal, guys, for the 20th and the 21st of June. The next one after that will be June.
What are you going to be bidding on?
Say what?
What are you bidding on?
Well, I don't know if I should say. I still like the 59, the El Camino, and the 57 Chevy. And I like the Dodge, and I like the Blazer. And there's like a whole bunch of really cool stuff. No, I gotta go home. Gotta go home. But we'll see.
Curtis bought parts for his boat up at that garage sale.
You've already done your shopping. In that sale on July 7th to the 12th.
Found a whole clear tab for a motor.
Yeah.
So are you gonna go for the Morris or are you?
Well, it depends on how much it starts going for.
Yes.
I didn't sign up, so I'm gonna make Matt bid for me.
Excellent.
Should we get closer to the auction here?
Yeah.
Filming me. He's 65, 70 years, no kidding, in the auction business. And he's been my main guy for 30 years up and down the highway.
That's a real auctioneer there.
It's gone, sold, internet too late, gave it off the time, 40 bucks. 1016, 1016. All right, Jim, next item coming at you, Pee-wee, is lot number 21. Hey, there you go. It's a picture of Mike and Avery's Field of Dreams. That's a nice photo, guys, and it's signed. It's autographed by him right there. This is a cool deal, fellas. It really is.
Mike's like,
you, sir.
Hi, guys.
You can't be the bridesmaid on this one. At 520, it's the only one in the sale. Now 75. I'm going to be now 50 bids. 75, sir. 575. I'm going to be now 600. I'm going to be now 600. I'm going to be now quarter. 100, I'm looking at 1. Oh, buddy, you're getting divorced sooner than you think. 1, 2, I'm looking at 1, 2, I'm looking at 12, and 12, I'm looking at dropping it out, 13 now, Pee-wee, and 13, 14, Donnie, 13, 14, 15, 15, 15, 15, 16, I'm looking at 16, 16, oh, he'll be, oh, Don, you're bidding against Matty, you're bidding against Matty, Donnie, he's on at 16, 17, Matty, and 17, 1800, Don, 1800, I'm looking at 2, at 2, now 21, I'm looking at 2021,
No, see,
now, Matt, he just typed me a note. He said, Matt's not worth 2,100. I'm not bidding anymore.
good point. Very good point.
21. $2,000, 2,100. He's in. I'm going to sell, boys. If you're done, we got to go. I'm going to now 2,000. It's a different time zone in Western Canada.
He gets me one. He gets me one in a while.
2,100. Oh, 22. Now 23. Now 23. Now 24. How about that? My goodness. Now 25. 25. 24, 25. Sold 2,400. 1011. 2,400 to 1011. Thank you. That one's going back east to be on a TV show. All right, Jim, what do we got here? Yes.
The guy actually bought some, no, the French guy. For the TV show.
Oh, we did.
We have
What TV
a
show?
1966 El Camino. This one's got the 2000 at 17, 2250. I'm going to 2000 bid 2250. I'm going to 2,500 internet yet at 2250 at 2,500.
What's going on here? Yeah, that's the Coronet 68. Are they buying a bunch of cars, the Frenchmen?
Huh?
The Frenchmen are buying.
Yeah, well, I'm surprised because they keep saying that they're going to buy stuff and they never have, so. But now they are. No, it's all good. The thing I want isn't up right now. I'm not going to bid it up very much, but. What are we on now?
We're on,
sold. It's going to go to BC Ice Creek, BC for $1,000.
Can I see the back side of this?
yours is, where's the
Oh, Lee Creek? Oh.
I don't know if it already went or not.
Say your each game.
No.
No.
95.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Paul.
So we'll see. I'm not
All right, we're gonna go to 65.
like $1,500 maybe.
I
think it's gonna go for way more than that, but
Oh, yeah.
we'll see.
What would you do with it?
All right, number 65.
I got a
block in it?
No, I got a Honda 2009 Honda Civic that my brother crashed, and so I figured I'd take the running gear out of that and put it in a Morris.
That'll be cool.
Just really a dream, you know. We'll see if it happens. But I think that'd be cool because I have that car and it needs a bunch of body work, and I could fix that car and sell it, or I could just take the running gear out of it. Yeah. I got my eyes on another 50s Volkswagen Bug,
Oh, yeah?
and I might get that one for super cheap, and so I either get that or the Morris, and I'll do my motor swap in the.
Yeah.
But,
I got it. My boss has got one for sale.
oh, does he?
72 Super Beetle.
Okay.
15, 16, you're 15, gonna be 16, 15, gonna be
Yeah.
15, 16.
I might get it for my granddaughter.
They're a good little car. They're cute.
It's my granddaughter's dream car. She graduates this year, so I might get it off of them for that. Give it
That'd
to
be
her for a
awesome.
graduation present.
Yeah, I love them. They're so bubbly and they're cute. They're a cute car. They're a girly car.
I know, I've had a couple.
Yeah.
And I have 1600.
All right, the Morris is coming up next.
How high are you authorized to go?
He said $2,000.
It's a 2-door.
But I'm only gonna bid till 15, so I don't want it for more than that.
Except for the wheels, guys. Have the keys, BC Reggie. Here's one. Here's one of the sale today now. How many is this one?
It's a 51.
It's a 1951
The
one.
Morris.
Flathead on her, boys. Here we go. On and you're gonna be 5,000. I get 1,900 online, 2,000 where? 19, get 2,000.
Oh, it's already up to $2,000.
I get 19,000 where? I get 19.
Bid two.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Bid two. Put your money on two.
I don't want to pay more than 15 for it. No, I'll buy the Beetle instead.
I get 21, I'm at 21. You're 2,000, 21.
That's my dream car. I want it.
I've been looking at it for years, but I've offered him $2,000 for it multiple times, and he said no.
What?
Yeah, and then I think it's gonna go closer to 4.
Yeah. I really want to find an 80s Beetle and turn it into like an off-roading rally. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
I got a Honda Civic I used to have, but my brother crashed it, and so the drivetrain and stuff is still good, and the body's not too bad. I just don't want to fix it, but I'm hoping to buy like a Volkswagen Bug or like a Morris or something, and then I'll put all the drivetrain from that.
yeah. Then it's an easy spot. It's nothing too crazy.
I'm not bidding that much for that. I've never seen that thing run or drive, so.
It looks like a good body from the photos, but
yeah.
I have a feeling the underneath maybe.
Yeah, it is in not bad shape.
29 and I have 2,900. Sold it. It's gone. 2,800. 2,800. Sold it online for 28.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of Ross Valley Restorers, Mike Hall, EG Auctions, and everyone else involved, a great big thank you for your bidding and buying.